here, although I did see Senator Crapo seek recognition.
I'll be very brief, Mr. Chairman. I just wanted to say to the senator from North Dakota, the language that you read to us, I think, does make the point. But it's also very important for us and the American people to have the conceptual language or the plain English approach that you have discussed. And we are, to a certain extent, talking past each other here because I don't think anybody disagrees that we need to have experts, those who read and study the legislative language and go through and say, okay, what are they doing with this paragraph and that paragraph? We need to have them put that into simple, plain language for us to understand, those of us who don't have the time or the skill necessarily to go in and do it ourselves. But that is not a replacement or a substitute for having the actual legislative language, which is the binding authoritative law, available for experts and others to review and analyze before we vote on it. And that's, again, the main reason why I made my earlier comments. I truly believe that not only with regard to this debate and this bill, but with regard to the general operations of our committee, we should change that precedent, and we should operate off of the legislative language, even though it will cause us some delay in our deliberations. I don't think that the artificial deadlines that we seem to be under in this committee are deadlines that the American people are concerned about or even insisting on. What instead that they are insisting on is that we know what it is we are doing and then be able to discuss it with them and explain it to them in plain English.